Should you get one of these, guys? Absolutely. What's up, guys? So today's video is going to be on the foam cannon and why everybody should have one that uses their car on a day-to-day basis. This stuff here really loosens up any stuff that's stuck on the car, and you rinse it off before you start washing the car, guys, because that's how you scratch your paint. All that road grime and road debris that you pick up from the day-to-day is got to come off before you start washing that car with that brush or that mitt. Otherwise, you're just going to tear up that paint job, and over the years that thing will be dulled out like you wouldn't believe. So you know I know about the paint, and I want to show you the benefits of having this foam cannon, guys, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? So you guys know when you guys go to the local car wash, they'll rinse the car and then they'll spray it with a foam before they hit it with the brushes. And that's to try to get rid of as much debris as that's on the car before the brushes hit it and scratch up the paint. Because when you rub that paint with that dirt on it, it's going to scratch it over the years. Your car will end up looking like it's been sanded. So this is the purpose of having the foam cannon. And if you guys don't have a pressure washer, they also make one of these that'll adapt onto your hose at the house. They sell it at the local detail shops. So check this out, and I want to show you guys how good this works to rinse the car off. It gets most of the debris off the car before you start using a brush or a mitt with it, guys, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? So here's the Mr. Pink. I'm going to try him out in the cannon. You guys seen me do the last video just washing with him, but we'll try him in this and see how he works out. So first, guys, you want to rinse the car off with the hose or the pressure washer, and I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to hit it with the foam and show you how it lathers up nice. And then when it's done, it'll be all clean and rinsed off. That's when you can start your wash, guys. Guys, now it's all lathered up, and you want to let it sit for about a minute or two and soak up and loosen up any of that loose dirt that's on the car. And that way when you hit it with the pressure washer again, guys, it'll rinse off most of that, and then you can begin hitting it with your mitt or your brush, guys. So this is just one real good reason to get one of these foam cannons, guys. See how that dirt's coming down? It's got the soap and it's rinsing. All that stuff's going to rinse down as much as it can on the car, pulling it down, guys. So we let it sit, now we're gonna rinse it off, guys. So guys, you can see now that all that dirt that was on that car is gone, as much as is going to come off, and that way you can start using your mitt and not scratch your car up, guys. So I hope you guys appreciate the video. I'm not going to show you me washing this, but I did this on this car because this is my daily driver, guys. So if anybody want to keep the paint on their car fresh, always use this first and then wash it, guys. Thank you.